I call it transcript training because it involves obviously using the transcript of the piece of content. And I'll give you a simple summary of the method, but I have other videos going very in depth into it. It follows 3 steps, which is listen, understand, and repeat. So first you listen to the piece of content, you listen to one sentence or whatever. And then as soon as you don't know how to say something, as soon as you don't understand what is happening or what the sentence is, then you search it up, then you find out what it means so you understand it. So, there you use Spanish DeepL for translating, or, even AI can help there. And then finally, you go back to before the sentence was said and then repeat the sentence, okay? And what's going to help you with this exercise is choosing content that has accurate subtitles. And the content also has to be real native Spanish so that it matches our goal, right? It's most congruent with what we want, which is conversations with natives, which is why it should be native Spanish. That's just a brief summary of the method, but I have videos going in depth into that. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.